Hi friends, we're going to install our filter, but it's going to be directly in the faucet because we have a water heater under the sink and it won't, they won't mix. We can't install both under the sink. So we're gonna leave the heater under the sink and install the filter directly in the faucet as you are able to. This is the accessory we're gonna have here. We're going to put the batteries in the unit. The batteries are included. Okay. So we want to use this included special tape to get so water won't come out. And we are also going to put this tape in the main accessory here. So now we're going to start again. Let's see. Okay, there you have regular use of water. Okay, and we're going to change to the filter. Great, now that we don't have water here because of the tray we use. We're going to leave it for 3 minutes. And of course it's telling you how many liters there are left. It's pouring 3.2 liters per minute. So we're ready. We install the filter with the faucet system because under sink we have a water heater and we can't put both systems together. We left the water running for 3 minutes and now we can test and try the water. Great. And as you remember, we know we still have almost 5,990 liters to go. Okay, you can store the unit when you finish. When you are not going to use it, you make sure you leave this level like that so the water won't go to the filter. Whenever you open your faucet, it will do this, and you can store the unit like this here, and we can use it like that because you can move this anywhere you need the water. Okay.